Well, John, you know, we got to finish this rail, man. We got to get this thing finished.
I know.
We still got to do the wiring and get that big fat turbo engine in there with that 275 horsepower. But you know, man, today we're gonna have to go do something else. So I got something I was gonna tell you about, and I might as well tell you now. I bought a whole field full of Volkswagens.
Oh Lord.
You know, some of them can be fixed, but probably most of them are gonna be for parts. But one of them got a tree growed up in the middle of it.
A tree?
Oh yeah, it's a convertible with actually got 2 trees in the middle of it. So we got to go cut trees too. So so we stood out there and I made a deal with it, and I bought 7 of them. You know, and they're they got trees growed up in the middle of them. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a trailer, head to Virginia, get up there, cut them trees out, and try to at least get that convertible and get it on here on the trailer and get it back down. What do you think?
What?
Okay, John, we finally made it. I said feel, right? Okay, so this little convertible, I think we're gonna have to get it out first. And you see what we got? I wonder if I could make any money off of trees. I didn't think about that. Maybe I could get my money back off of trees. Can't believe it. We got it on there, man. Didn't even tear the bumpers off the thing. And so, you know, that car, that's got that old fireman tag on it there. So the fireman had it down there and needed it.
Yeah.
You know what I found out, John?
What?
About these cars. I mean, you know, these cars sitting out in the field, they're oddity to find anyway. You know, a whole bunch of them where you can get them all at one time. Talking to the lady, guess what she did? She gave me the titles to them.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we got titles to these babies.
We probably fix this.
We might be able to fix this baby. That'd be nice, man. A nice little convertible with a real title. Man, I tell you what, that's a deal. But yeah, she gave me 7 titles to the cars. I think it matched all the cars, numbers and everything. So, man, that's just a little icing on the cake, ain't it? But anyway, we got them on, buddy. I tell you what.
Going back home, work done.
Yeah, came from Eden and going back to Eden. I tell you what, but